香港時間聽日凌晨展開8強賽事，曼聯會迎戰波圖。由郭浩然講下佢哋嘅備戰情況。
領隊費格遜出席操練後嘅記者會，又再有記者問基斯坦奴嘅去向，費爵爺當堂燥晒。
Cristiano answered that question. How many times did that question?
You answered it for him before. I want to ask him to give him the man himself.
Carry on.
Always this question.
I know, it's always pathetic.
I'm happy with this club. I think this is the right club for me.
難得基斯坦奴咁決斷表白咗心跡，費爵爺應該開心至係嘅。何況上場英超對維拉，朗尼、維迪同史高斯停賽冇上陣，今場唞到夠肯定搏命。早前收起嘅朴智星亦都可以喺中場掃檔。當然唔少得佢哋陣中最矚目嘅意大利新星馬治達啦。而唯一嘅隱憂係里奧費迪南仍然有傷在身，上陣嘅機會唔大。至於另一支逼科球隊亞仙奴就到咗西班牙準備鬥維拉利爾，令到領隊雲加最開心㗎係法比加斯、和確特同艾迪巴約今場都可以上陣。曾經效力亞仙奴嘅皮利斯就話：絕對唔會留守，要贏亞仙奴，幫維拉利爾打入4強。有線電視記者郭浩然報導。
阿根廷秋季足球聯賽，小保加同國道爾古斯踢成1-1。